actually started off as a business student and I moved into engineering. It was something that I really wanted to do with my life. Baja SAE was a great fit for that because I was able to take the skills that I learned in my classes and actually apply them to a real-world situation.
Initially, I had planned on doing electrical engineering, and through the Intro to Engineering course, I was able to find a better home in product design. Through Baja, I've been able to make scans of our teammates that are very accurate, and we've moved those scans into avatars through our design program. We've been able to use that program to analyze the comfort of our vehicle so that we can know exactly how comfortable our chassis is before we even order any tubes or put a driver in it.
So I've spent 4 years with the team, and I've been able to develop leadership skills, project management, sponsor relations. I've learned about hydraulic circuits, designing vehicle chassis, about engines, anything engineering related.
Thank you for your donations that have made this program a possibility.
Without you, we wouldn't be able to do these kind of things and actually learn very valuable engineering skills.
Through the product design program, I've been able to develop my skills so that I have the ability to make real-world products that help to enrich other people's lives.
It feels really good that the experience that I put in here has helped me to land a job. It's not a lot of opportunities to actually do something that you love and that you're passionate about and have that directly relate to bettering yourself as an individual and actually landing the job that you'd hope for.
Fire up, Chips!